Sebaceous filaments, don't you just love them? Whiteheads, blackheads, the gunk that clogs our pores. In this video, you're going to see me remove years of this gunk from my grandma's nose with these charcoal strips by Pore. Turn up the volume for some ASMR to follow. Enjoy, and subscribe. If you're following along with us, my first recommendation is to cleanse your face. Afterward, go in with a really warm, wet towel and set it on your nose like a compress. The heat from this towel will open up your pores, which aids in the filament removal process. Quick tip, after wetting the towel, place it in the microwave for about 10 seconds. You don't want to get it too hot that it burns your skin, but definitely as warm as you can handle. Let it rest on your nose for about 15 seconds. Next, you're going to make a baking soda paste. I learned about this from a girl on YouTube named Michelle. She stated that by mixing baking soda with a few drops of water in your hand, then gently scrubbing the area you're going to add the peels to, would help the whiteheads and blackheads on your nose appear more pronounced, making it easier for the strips to pull them out. Scrub this into your skin for about 15 seconds and rinse. Let your face remain wet. Then, with dry hands, prepare your strips by cutting one of them into 2 or 3 pieces in order to place them on the cheek area or even your chin area if you have buildup there. I want to give a shout out to Michelle, the one who demonstrated this technique on her channel a couple years ago. It definitely worked wonders on my grandmother's skin, and I think it'll work for you too. A link to her video will be in my description. Make sure your face is still wet when applying your strips. Notice I applied my grandmother's upside down because she has whiteheads and blackheads near the top of her nose, so I wanted to get that area as well. You can cut the strips into as many pieces as you want, so do whatever suits your facial needs. Just make sure to keep the face moist as you are attaching the strips so they adhere to your skin as strong as possible. Let them set on your skin for at least 15 minutes. Then it's time for the fun part. Okay, Grandma, it's been 15 minutes. How does it feel?
It feels itchy.
Itchy? It's too hard. Or if it hurts. Wow. That's insane. This is crazy. Wow. This is crazy. It's crazy amazing. Even though we removed a lot of gunk this time around, there were still some stubborn blackheads in her nose. So 1 week later, we did the exact same thing, and we were able to get her nose practically 100% clear. That is so dope, because when I tell y'all my grandma does not regularly exfoliate, does not regularly cleanse her face, and definitely does not remove blackheads or whiteheads, it was so refreshing to be able to give her this gift. So what did you think, Grandma?
Oh, it feels good.
Now, how often do you regularly do this?
I don't.
Never?
Never. I never did this.
Do you notice the difference?
Yes. It's quite a difference.
We got you, Grandma. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I hope it works wonders on your skin too. Please comment below if so, and like this video if it was satisfying to watch. I want to know your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Hey y'all, what's up? It's me, Miss Ruby. Thank you so much for watching my video. It means the world to me that I utilize this platform to help other women, other girls enhance the quality of their lives, work through our spiritual, mental, emotional baggage, and just develop our self-esteem through health and beauty. We only live once, y'all. We gon' die one day, okay? But until then, I encourage us to live. So I want to invite you guys to check out some more of my videos. Also check me out on my second channel, Twosome TV, where you get a little bit more of me and my hubby, raw and unfiltered. It goes down, it's funny, it's fun. I would love for you guys to join us there, okay? Okay. God bless you, and I'll see you on the next video.